Here's how to redeem promo codes when paying for the premium version of Duolingo, which is Super Duolingo. I'm going to show you how to redeem a huge discount on any subscription you'll choose to use, and for a very, very cheap price. Now, the first step, and this one is pretty important, is to click on the first link in the description to be able to benefit from what I'm going to show, because if you go on the official website of Duolingo, you're not going to get any discount. Once you come to this page, scroll down a little bit and click on this button where it says View All. Now you can see all the other services discounts that this site is offering. But what you are going to look for is Duolingo, because it's the one that we want to get a discount on, so find it and click on the where it says Purchase Now, and I'm pretty sure you're seeing the price too, which is very, very cheap. You're going to see this little window pop up. Choose the period you want to use it for. Tick this option where it says Activate Auto Renewal. Then here comes the most important part. Click on the promo code section and enter the code YAKF to save 10% off on your subscription, which is initially the half of the original price, meaning you're getting an extra discount. Now click on Go to Payment to complete the payment process and get access to your Super Duolingo account. If you find this video helpful, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.